In the last video, we solved the previous question, which is a minimum number of push to type the word one. Now this is a second part of it, which is 3016. And in previous question, we find out that the word characters are not matter at all. Only the word length did. This time, the problem changed one thing, that the constraint is the letters will repeat this time. Okay. The letter, as you can see, there is X, Y, Z, X. So X is repeating. Now watch how that change in the constraint can flip the whole question's approach. Wait for a minute. You will understand the whole question very easily. So before it, here is a smallest interesting case, which is a word A, and B. So here A appears two times, A appear two times, and B appears one time. Let us see, we have the things like we have this, and now we have a slot, like it is, let's say, button 2, and a button 2 may have this thing like A, then X, then Y. So on the first push, this is called one slot. So it is a first slot, and what is this will be in 2 clicks. So it is a second slot, and now this will be in the third slot, means it will need a 3 click, three push, and 2 slot need 2 push, and 1 slot need 1 push. That's the thing here. So we know the actual thing that work here is if we give the more frequent numbers the lesser slot. So the intuition of the question is lesser slot to more frequent. Okay, to more frequent number will have lesser slot, because if we have the things like if the 2 is appearing the 2 times, we need a smaller slot as to work with a 1 push. And for the larger slot, like we have large slot to the element which is the less frequent, Let us make it more clear with this example, which is here. So take the example, and we must move it, make a duplicate, and move it to download. Now we have this. So we have two number of things we can do here as the thing one and the thing two. We can get the one push slot to A, and 2 push slot to B, or we can give a 2 push slot to A and 1 push slot to B. These two scenarios are possible. Let us calculate the cost. To calculate the cost, we have as 1 push for the frequency 2. So it have the frequency 2, and we need a 1 push for it. So 1 into 2 plus 2 into frequency 1, as we need to press. So it will generate a cost of 4. For this, we have 2 push for A, and we need A 2 times. That means the cost will be 2 into 2 plus 1 push for B, and we need 1 for 1 time. We need B for 1 time. So 1 into 1. So it will cost us 5. Okay. It is clearly visible that this is a lesser answer, and it is a needed answer, because the question demands the minimum number of push. So it have the minimum number of push. What is it? So we gave, so it appears 2 times, and this appears 1 times. Okay. So we gave the more frequent number a lesser push slot, and we give a less frequent number a greater push slot, which we have written here. So this is our master plan, which solves the question very quickly. So implementation part of it, let us very first clear the steps required in this problem. The step required in this problem, as we know, we need the frequency for more and less frequency. How we calculate the frequency is more or less. So we need to calculate the frequency. So step one for this problem is we need to calculate the frequency. So just count the frequency of each letter. Okay. What is the second thing? We need to see that which is the more frequency and which is the less frequency. So we need to sort the frequency order. To the frequency order will be short. So short, let us say we need to sort the frequency order. Just be with it. You will solve the question by yourself after listening these steps. So sort the array. Why are we sorting the array? Let's say to calculate the frequency, let's say we need an array of frequencies. So we need an array of frequency which is from 0 to 26. So there are int array which is store the frequency, like this is for A, this is for B, and so on. This is for Z. Okay, let us say we stored the as B appears 0 times. Let's say B appears, A appears 0 times, B appears 1 time, then this appears 3 times, then this appears 0 times. So after sorting the values, this will become like 0 appears on the very left side, and then incrementing order will appear on the right. Okay, so what do we need? We need the more frequency, the lesser slot. So lesser slot means we need to keep it at the first position. So we will need to get the more frequency. So where do we need to traverse? We need to traverse from back to front. Okay, from back to front to get the more frequency to the less frequency. So step 3 is very much clear now as traverse from backward. You know why we traverse from backward now. Traverse from back, from back. And what do we need to do? As we done the first number of problem in which we gave the first 8 slots, uh, one push slot, and then further 8 slots will be a second push slot, and then further will be a third push slot. So for that, we will paste the code as it is of part 1. So what we will do, we will traverse from back and assign the cost. Let's say we assign the cost, we will see it in the code. And now, what is the step 4? Now the step 4 is the answer we got. So step 4 is just the answer part we have. So multiply each frequency. So multiply each frequency which is with its assigned slot, and sum everything to get the minimum of thing. Let us move to the code to see the clear implementation of it. We'll calculate the frequency with new int 26 because the letters are 26. Then for each character in this word, C will word dot to char at to char array will make all these things. Now update the frequency. So this is the character C, and to make convert into the indexes, we need to subtract it from a character A and then increment. Now the step 2 is sort the array. Sort the array. So arrays dot sort the frequency. We will sort the frequency. Now the array will become as our array was like 0, 0, 1, 3, 5, 2, like this type of things. Now after sorting, it will become 0, 0, 0, and 1, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3. This type of things will become. I think 2 is of 2 times. So 2 is of 2 times this. Now how we traverse? Let us see one thing, that when we sort the array and do a traversal from back to front, when do we need to terminate? We need to terminate where the first frequency will be 0 because there is no further frequency after it. So we need to terminate where the first frequency is 0. So moving from, so we need to traverse from back to front. Okay. So for, let us say I equal to 25 and I which is greater than or equal to 0, minus. Where do we need to break? So we need to break at the first instance where the frequency is 0. So frequency is 0. No, the frequency of I here equal to 0. We must break the loop. And then we calculate the cost of it. To calculate the cost, as per the previous question we discussed, that we need a IDX and by 8, then plus 1. As the previous video, the IDX is the first character we need, as the first 8 character should came to this part. So we need to take IDX equal to 0 at first. So now the first 8 part will get the count of 1, then the count of 2, then the count of 3. Now we need to multiply it and add it to the total. So let us take a total here. In total push is 0 right now, and we will take the total push and we will add it, and then the cost will multiply it with their frequency of I, and then we will do IDX plus plus because we need to calculate only the 8 items, and further the 8 items we need to count the non-zero frequent element. So at last we just need to return total push. Let us make it run. I think it will got accepted. Now let us hit submit. On hitting the submit button, it is just okay. It is now submitted, and we have completed also the S3. Let us discuss the time complexity of this solution very much before. So the time complexity of this solution is, let's say we discuss the time complexity. So the time complexity of calculation it is of big O of n. And for sorting of the distinct k element, we need the k log k. K is a number of distinct element. So it is a distinct letters. Okay, distinct letters. So k is a distinct letter, which is the k is less than or equal to 26. So it will almost take constant time. So what will be the time complexity of it? Time complexity will be big O of n plus the time complexity it will take to sort. So k, so the total time complexity will come as n plus k log k. This is the total time complexity. What is the space complexity? Let us see the space complexity. The space complexity, we take a frequency array of 26. We can take it as constant, but also we write as k, because k is just less than or equal to 26. Okay, so this is the time complexity, and this is the space complexity. So the full code of this problem is on description, and if you need the full code, just copy paste it and write it with it on your own by seeing my algorithm video. So if it is useful for you, feel free to subscribe the channel, and happy code.